Give me a scream, Corey.
Yeah! I don't like a fucking thing. Music's just dead, so there's not enough to tip on my freaking fucking guys. Get up on my back, I don't wanna do a show with this shitty fucking band. You suck, they suck, just one game fun. I can think of any other words to simplify. Don't drag your opinions to great. It's no school face, motherfuckers, I hate so.